All right, so here is how you're going to figure out how many tints and shades or how many colors you're going to need to mix in paint. When I return, you're going to be selecting one hue, one color, pink or purple or blue or green, and you're going to be mixing tints, lighter versions of that color, that hue plus white, and shades, color that hue plus black. So we need to look here to figure out how many, you're going to look at your image to figure out how many colors you need total, how many cups of paint. So we're starting at my lightest one. I'm here, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've done this in a spot where there seems to be like an even gradation. It's a little bit harder in places where there's not an even jump, but this seemed like a helpful place to go all the way across. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I would like you to do is I'd like you to comment in the section below here and tell me what hue you want and how many colors you're going to need to mix. So for example, that could be purple, 7 for me. Or I would probably do this one in red or green because my niece is a strawberry in this. So I would say red and 7. Now the thing that you need to think about is what your hue is going to look like as a tint and as a shade. Now, if you're choosing red, your hues, your tints, the hue plus white is going to be some pinks. If you choose orange, your tints are going to be more like a peachy color. Um, your shades are going to be that hue plus black. So if I choose red, my hues are going, or my shades, my dark colors are going to be like maroons, um, like a burgundy. Whereas if I choose orange, my shades are going to be brown. I'll be honest with you, yellow doesn't work well. So I would encourage you not to choose yellow. But blue works great, purple works great, red, green works well. Orange, like I said, will give you that range from peach to orange to brown. If that's appealing to you, great. But think closely about what color, what hue you want to choose, and then figure out how many colors you're going to mix and comment that below in the comments here. If you have questions about it, please shoot me an email. That is your job. If you have not yet finished drawing your portrait onto your grid, please continue working on that today too. All right.